that market night.
Oscar VoiceBox here at Tessan Chin's Voice Box. Well, God, Jesus Christ. 4 seasons of Christmas concert. No, you know what, Christmas season, it's the 3rd of December. And so I had to make my way here to support my Buddha-nonos Chinita Gudas. But you see, because I want to take in the show, I enjoy all of the niceness and the festivities. I actually have, some people we're going to see later on, Stefan. He will be holding it down for me, and behind the camera you will find out who that is in the coming weeks, okay? But I'm here, I'm going to show you some of the highlights. You can take in some of the performances and some interviews, and I'll catch you back later. So keep it locked, make sure to you like, comment and subscribe. Alright, got that. Alright, great. Thanks. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Hey, what's up, Tessanne Chin, Miss VoiceBox, and all of these things. You must be feeling elated. You must feel very proud of the kids.
I'm beyond proud. I'm beyond proud of my babies. Yep.
No, earlier you spoke about Kathy Levy and you got quite emotional. Like, what does her presence, like, what does it really signify and mean in this moment?
She is one of the biggest reasons that I think I decided to go forth with the arts and pursue music, in a career in music. And she taught me how to dream big, but she also taught me how to work really hard. And I owe a lot to her, and a lot of different people in Jamaica, creatives here and around the world, owe a lot to Miss Levy.
Now that you're in that position, like being at the helm, you feel like you probably did, like, you kind of feel like the presence of, like, boy, maybe when I did I give so much trouble, or maybe when I never did I understand certain concepts, like, this is what she went through.
I am completely in awe, and I still think I have so much to learn from her. Like, I still feel like I'm a baby in this game, for sure. So but I also hear her a lot in my head. Along with my vocal coach, Miss Lisi Wright. I hear her voice in my head a lot too. So.
How long did it take you to, like, get all the kids together to put together a show like this? Because it was really wonderful. I hear one brother in the audience, and like it was a couple of them, like, like me, and what they kept on saying was just like, "Well, I like the vibe, yeah. I never normally see the vibe, like." And it's like they were just so surprised because it looked like a probably them woman, forced them to come, and them come here and them are like, "Yeah, man, this different, this cool." So I'm listening to me like, whoa, you managed to, like, put together a show like this. Yeah.
Well, believe me, it was not a one-man job. I had people like Daniel Savory, Evad, Ashley, CVM, people like Digital Foundation, Water, Bigger, people like City Dental, Island Grill. So many incredible sponsors that came on board to help this happen. There's no way it could happen without our teachers. We have incredible teachers, Evad and Deanna Sancho at VoiceBox, Ruth Brown. It's a lot of people. Ifadel Williams. It's a village.
No, I'm not gonna talk about that moment with you and your daughter up on stage now, because honestly, I think she need her own show right now, her whole entire show. Like, so
listen, she was upset. Okay, she did not want me to not go on stage without her. She was like, I'm ready to go on with the rest of the
Love
kids.
that. Now, before you go now, how old or how young you have to be for join VoiceBox? Because people are asking.
6 to 18, but please look out for our summer intensive this summer. It is a program that we offer. We offer it free of cost. So we're encouraging people to come, specifically kids from 6 to 18, to come and audition, so that you can have an opportunity. Have talent.
You can find the talent somewhere deep
you have
within.
to have some talent, does it? My God.
Okay, all right. Bye, Tessan. Take care.
Thank you.
Later, Chinito.
You together if you want. Yeah. Shine, shine, shine. You take it to you. I know you take it to you. I know you take it to you. I know nothing but Jana Goma.
All right, and last but thank you, baby. 30 hours. Thank you very much.
Sit down and calculate what you want. If you know you are clean, come on and sing with me now. Well, I know that dirty heart can't see it room. And they are lying trees and can't bloom. Yes, they shall show it.
All right, everybody, we're here with Romain Virgo. He gave a sterling performance. Had a mishap. How did you feel about that? You're a seasoned performer by now, so how was it?
Yeah, it was just like technical difficulty, something we don't have no control over. But it was good. The people were singing after the light went out.
I definitely saw that.
Yeah,
you were in London, Canada recently for tour.
Yeah.
How was that?
Amazing. It just shows that if we believe in what we do, if we continue to do it, there are people out there who still love what we do, love reggae, lovers rap music, and it was a joy. Just being there, singing my heart and my soul out and seeing every single venue that we go full up. Joy, man.
Yeah.
Joy.
You're a son of the soil. You're going to send your two kids in when the time comes to join the voice box?
Them love make noise, and love sing, so without a doubt, man, and Auntie Tessan is, the perfect person to do something like this, so bless up. It's just an honor, just a joy to be a part of this show. I wish when I was growing up I had something like this, because I feel like I'd be a way better singer too, so, without a doubt, man, I'd send them.
Just say something to the youths for Christmas in Jamaica.
Merry Christmas, stay out of trouble, love on yourself, love the Almighty, work hard, and believe in yourself every time. See?
All right, thank you so much, Romain.
As perfect as can be. It's here.
All right, so we're here with the 2023 Digicel Rising Stars, Remone Watson. How are you feeling? I heard that you say Tessan training from your younger age. What was that like?
So I met Tessan at Jamaica Music Camp. I was 11 years old, and from then she has been training me vocally. We split apart a little bit, and then now it's just awesome getting back together.
Amazing. What was it like? What was it like in the Rising Star competition? Like when you won, how did you feel? You knew you were gonna win?
I did nervous.
You didn't nervous? Well, I mean, Jamaica knew, but did you know?
Right. I had some thoughts about it. I mean, it was the goal, so I wasn't as shocked, but I was shocked because there were amazing persons in the competition.
I don't want to keep you long, but just tell the audience something for Christmas and just encourage them to be the best versions of themselves.
Don't forget to pray. Don't forget to put God at the center of your life. And don't worry about nothing else, Don't worry.
And just give them 2 seconds of singing, just 2.
Sure. What would I sing? Merry Christmas to you.
There you have it. 2023 Digital Rising Star, Remone.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, guys, so we're here with the famous couple of YouTube. Hi, Tammy.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, Wayne.
What's up? What's up?
Yeah, that was a beautiful show. There were points and I was crying. Like, it was so beautiful. What would you encourage, like, the kids of Jamaica to do to preserve the culture?
You know, I think this is such a wonderful start. I always say that it's so amazing when artists help to take care of the arts. So the future artists that are coming up, and not just singing and dancing. I'm talking about lighting, sound, all that stuff. And so I'm so proud of Tessanne and what she's trying to do, and how she's trying to create the next generation of artists. Not just, like I said, singers, dancers, songwriters, but the whole gamut. And I'm really proud to be here tonight. I'm really proud our kids were a part of it.
Yeah. One quick question before you go. How did you feel when you saw your kids on stage?
Super proud, elated, overwhelmed. I've seen different parts of them that I never even knew them possess. So Auntie Tessie been cooking with them in rehearsals. Yeah, from the eldest to the youngest. Atlas, Jackson, Gio, so impressed by them. Gio's harmonies, Jackson's acting, and just Atlas coming out of his shell, and it was beautiful, very inspiring.
All right, thank you so much, guys, and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you.
Man.
All right, guys, so we're here with two of the wonderful performers that just shell along the place. What's the name?
VoiceBox.
No, what's your name?
Carrie.
And?
Zachary.
All right, so Zachary, tell me quickly. Well, ladies before gentlemen, tell me quickly, what was one of the favorite parts of rehearsals that you're going to miss?
I'm going to miss my friends and just going every day to rehearsals and seeing all the wonderful teachers.
I'm a theater kid. Been doing performance since I'm at wee high. Tell me, why is it that you chose to join VoiceBox?
I decided to join VoiceBox because my mother was telling me they're auditioning for the summer intensive. I was like, what's that? So I auditioned and I got through. And I was like, I want to be a part of something great. So I decided to join.
Yeah, what was the feeling when both of you heard that you got through?
I was very surprised. I did not know that I was going to get through, but I was very happy.
Yeah, and what was your feeling like?
I was excited because even though I'm not the best, I'm glad that they accepted me.
All right, so before we go, is there anybody you want to shout out for Christmas, your schoolmates, anybody at all?
I would like to shout out Amanda James.
Amanda?
My mother, Shari Moore. My grandmother in Canada, Elsie Pennycook. And yeah.
And you?
I'd like to shout out my friend from school, Matthew, all my family in Jamaica, overseas.
Yeah.
Have a wonderful Christmas.
All right, so help me close out the show. We're going to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, Burritos, all right? So 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, Burritos. Awesome. Thank you, guys.
Hi, everybody. Oh my goodness, you look so beautiful tonight. Hello. Please, would you give me a moment to say thank you properly to everybody that was involved in this show, because I think you can agree with me. It was a wonderful show and we have to give thanks, yes?
All right, we're here with a lovely patron with fun in the audience. After the show, she's just chilling until the traffic goes. What's the name?
Oh, my name is Nisha, and I'm from Mobe, actually.
Nisha from Mobe. I hear Mobe people. Well, let's not talk about that. But all right, so how did you enjoy the show? What was your favorite part?
Oh, my favorite part was with the kids, but the song that the Digital Rising Star...
Remone Watson.
Yes, when he came out along with Tessan, that was absolutely lovely.
Absolutely beautiful. And that was Mary Did You Know, guys. You'll see some footage later on.
Oh,
so,
it was awesome.
Was your child a part of the show?
No, but we're here to support our niece. So we're all from Queens. Yes, Queens High School. And we're here to support our niece, Tori Victoria. And she was a part of several of the production, and it was just amazing. So we were all cheering for Tori.
Awesome. So before you go, tell them something that you love for Christmas, like something that you must eat.
Oh, I have to have sorrel. And I need to have authentic Christmas cake. Yes, I need to have authentic Christmas cake.
The good Jamaican fruit cake.
Good Jamaican fruit cake. Yes. So.
All right, then before we go, just give us a line of your favorite Christmas carol.
Oh, Santa Claus, do you ever come to the ghetto?
No, you have to give me the moves and everything, man. Come on, you have to give me the moves and everything. We can't just make her go without doing all of that.
No, but tonight, when they sang Santa Claus, do you ever come to the ghetto? I'm like, blow, Santa Claus definitely coming to the ghetto after that. So, all right, let me give you the moves. Where's my friend?
Come friend. Ready. Exclusive content here.
Santa Claus, do you ever come to the ghetto? That's
All right, after 3, 1, 2, 3.
Santa Claus, do you ever come to the ghetto? Ghetto!
All right, later. Thank you, my readers. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy.
I'm sorry. You guys are ready?
Wait, is all the kiddies I'm here talking about on the round table?
Yes.
Oh, it's all of them? Okay.
All of them. You have to bend down.
No, silly face, right? Everybody being pretty
silly
face.
faces.
Okay.
No cute faces, silly faces. Okay. One more. Everybody pose.
Okay. All right. All right, great.
Did you know that your baby boy is heaven's perfect to land? When you kiss your little baby, you kiss the face of God. The blind will see, the dead will hear, the dead will live again. The lame will live, the dumb will speak, the praise. Did you know that your baby boy is Lord of all creation? Mary, did you know that your baby boy will one day rule the nation? Did you know that your baby boy is heaven's perfect lamb? That sleeping child you're holding is the great chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Hilltide carols being sung by a choir and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows I'll be home for Christmas. You can plan on me. Please have snow and mistletoe and presents under the tree. Santa's on his way.
Slip my present under the tree for me. I've been an awful good girl, Santa baby. So hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa baby, a 54 convertible to light blue. I'll wait up for you, dear Santa baby. So hurry down the chimney tonight. Think of all the fun I missed. Think of all the fellas that I haven't missed. Next year I could be just as good. You check off my Christmas list. Santa baby, I wanna get and really that's not a lie. I've been relations all year, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa honey, one little thing I really need, indeed. You were glad to be mine, Santa honey, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa cutie, fill my stocking with the duplex and checks. Sign your X on the line, Santa cutie, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Come and trim my Christmas tree with some decorations bought at Tiffany. I really do believe in you. Let's see if you believe in me. Santa baby, forgot to mention one little thing, a ring. And I don't mean on the phone, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. So hurry down the chimney tonight. So hurry down the chimney tonight. We've been beaten down, crying, how we hold on to those hard times. We ain't gonna fight, we ain't gonna fuss, but where are the presents that you brought for us? Santa Claus, do you ever come to the ghetto? Santa Claus, do you ever wonder why we suffer so? Santa Claus, do you ever come to the ghetto? Santa Claus, we would like to see you when you're reindeer. See you on the papers, you're on TV, giving the toys to some picnic, wondering what's happening to poor people like we. Is it because we're not hung on chimneys, Santa Claus?
All right, so that is the end of the concert, the Christmas show, the big bad Christmas show put on by Tessanne Chin Crooks, VoiceBox 4 Seasons of Christmas. I enjoyed myself, and I hope that for all of you who never make it here, who enjoyed all of the clippings and the interviews that I showed y'all. All right, and so if you enjoyed the video, make sure to say you like, you comment, you share, and subscribe, and let me know which event you want me to be at. Sound off in the comments, because I'll be all over the place during the Christmas season. So if you don't see me, you might see someone else representing for the DuttyBerryShow. So I have to say big up to Stefan for holding it down earlier. And so, you know, throughout the rest of the season, you might be seeing new faces, hearing new voices, but that's all part of what is going to, you know, happen for 2024. So take care, enjoy, and stay safe. Merry Christmas. All right, I feel like we should have said Merry Christmas. Yeah, let's just leave it at that. Bye, y'all.